Alright, what up? This is Hans the Ramen Rater with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've tried over 3,000 different varieties, and, well, I got an idea or two for you. Bottle of water is boiling like a beast, so I gotta get this stuff thrown into it. Curry flavor by Canton, and it's from Bangladesh. I found it in Canada. This is a cook it down, so we will cook it down. A lot of the time these are steep them up. Come on now. I don't want the water to boil too much. That's not my pleasure. There you go. Welcome to Flavorland. Turn you down. Give you 3 minutes. Drop in seasoning. And give you a stir. So yeah. Today it's something from Bangladesh, and up in Canada there's a grocery store called the Real Canadian Superstore, and it's really big. We were like floored by the size of their potato chips, because we went in there and my wife was like, look, and she like grabbed one, and it's like this bag of like barbecued chips was like the size of a king bed pillow. It was just like, she was like, "Argh!" I was like, wow, why do you really need that many potato chips? We didn't buy. It's not the size of potato chip portion for a smaller apartment. So, granted, we have a 2-bedroom, but when you have 2 small children occupying the master bedroom, well, that's a story. Yeah, so it just seemed like it would make more sense, because I've got my son Andy every other weekend, and he's got his bed in there. And then they're both the little ones. One's in the crib. They're both in cribs, but the one for Miles has been converted into a toddler bed. So it's got the thing so he won't roll out of bed. And which I don't think he would do anyways. But safety first. But yeah, so that's the master bedroom, and they have the master bath, and we have the smaller bedroom and the smaller bathroom. Honestly, it's not that bad. I use the bigger one to shower in, but it definitely would be impossible to fit all that kid action in the room we're in. There's only 2 of us, there's 3 of them. That's fine. I think some people would just like lose their mind over that, but not us. It's like necessity and logic. Like I always say, why would you have kids if you didn't like them? So that's just a wrong thing to do. I'm gonna have 10 kids, but I hate kids. You know. All right. That was quick. This is our 3 minutes and our Bangladeshian noodles, and they look like, wow. This, not a lot of broth. Definitely not a lot of broth. I'll give a tiny little taste of these because there's not a lot of broth. Did I mention not a lot of broth? Very light kind of curry. For this one, obviously, it isn't like a crazy curry, so I made some chicken to go with it. I thought that would make more sense instead of doing like fish ball and all that stuff. Although stuff like this works great with fish ball. And this chicken came out really good, but yeah, I'm gonna go pretty mellow on this one, I think. I think chicken and coriander really is as far as we need to go. Cause yeah. Okay, why not? God, stop browbeating me. Just knock it off. There. Fried onion. You satisfied? You get your you get your 3 minutes worth now. Yeah. It smells good. I guess we'll see. Ooh, come on, you can get down there. Alright, well, cool. Thank you for watching the video. It's been real. And, yeah. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you'd like to watch more of what I do, watch this. And do it quickly. Do it right now. Wait for this video to end, rewind it a little bit, and then click, and just basically have your computer playing. Just play the whole playlist. Just hit play on the playlist and leave, and let it just play the whole playlist all day long, all night long. Have it really quiet in the background. This will improve the quality of your dreams. All right. Have a good one. Bye.